Good morning, everyone. Now we will start the call. US markets were flat on Friday. Asian markets have opened 1% lower this morning ahead of China data that is likely to amplify the case for serious stimulus. Figures on the retail sales as well as industrial output, which are due on Tuesday for China, where economists have assumed that they will be coming below estimates. Also, there is news that a couple of large property developers in China are stressed with respect to their ability to repay loans. So overall sentiment because of China is down in entire Asia. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Yes, thank you, Jian. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap down, and we're likely to witness some profit booking during a day. On the Friday, we have seen that the Nifty has just closed below the 19,470 level, which was acting as a crucial swing supports levels. Now, trading below that level, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. I believe that 19,300, 370, 300 will act as a crucial support level. If it's break that level on the closing basis, then more downfall can be witnessed towards 19,240 to 19,200 levels. Whereas on high side, as of now, 19,520 will act as an immediate resistance level. If it's move above that level on the closing basis, then only we can witness some sort of a pullback rally into the market. So the overall view on the Nifty will remain cautious as we are likely to see some extension of this profit booking. Coming towards the bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, 44,300 will act as the first support levels. Below that level, 44,170 and 43,950 levels can be seen. Whereas on high side, the immediate resistance is placed at 44,680 to 44,900 levels. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, upper side 20,300 and 20,460 are the crucial resistance levels, whereas on the lower end 20,040 and 19,950 are the crucial support level. We need to keep eye on it. The overall view will remain cautious as we are looking towards the profit bookings into the market, so one should hold their long or the short positions with the strict stop losses. That's it from my end. I request their team to take forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as I have said in the previous session also, that once if Nifty goes about 19,650, then only new long need to be created, or else we will see some sell-off in the market. Well, as for the wide portion also, we have seen that the heavy call put writer positions have liquidated in Friday trading session almost around from 19,500 to 19,000 strike. The put writer positions have exited almost around 20 million positions. So currently market seems to be on the negative front. While against that, we are seeing that at 19,400 and 500, call writer positions have started getting added up. So new resistance for the Nifty as per the current scenario would be 19,600. On the downside, we expect the Nifty to come towards 19,300 to 200 level in coming trading sessions. So overall trend seems to be positive as per overall data points. While PCR closed at 0.91 on Friday trading session, on the downside, we expect PCR to stretch towards 0.78 to 0.75 level, while India weeks have increased from last two trading session, and we expect once if India weeks goes about 13.5, then aggressive selling can also be witnessed in the market. So currently, if you're holding any new long position, should place the stop losses, and new long need to be created only above 19,650 level. Till that point of time, we might witness some sell-off in the market. As per the stock specific and structural specific, the positive front, we expect India Cement, Coforge and Tata Com looks positive, while on the negative front, Canfin Home, ZIL and PI Industry seems to be on the negative front in today's trading session. So that's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
On the result side, Electronic Marts India, which is a retailer just like Vijay Sales, it got listed recently. The result was above expectation. Revenue grew 20% year on year, and it came 13% above estimates. Margin came at 7.7% versus past trend of 7%. So both revenue and margins were healthy. That is why profits came at 60 crore against expectation of 38 crores, and last year it was just 41 crore. So we are positive on Electronic Smart. Muthoot Finance, the gold financing company, result is in line with expectation. All parameters were stable. Loan book showed good acceleration to 7% sequential growth and 19% year on year. However, this is entirely because of increase in gold prices, and the physical gold tonnage which is pledged with the company remained flattish. Yields have declined by 120 basis points sequentially to 17.3%, resulting in 100 basis points compression in spreads from 10.4 to 9.4%. So we continue to see this pressure and the competitive intensity elevated in the gold lending space, and that is visible in both Muthoot as well as Manappuram's compression in net interest margins. As a result, the ROA has come down from 6% level to around 5.6%. We are neutral on the stock. Power Finance Corporation delivered another good set of numbers. The result is in line with expectation, and loan growth accelerated from 14% in March quarter on year-on-year basis to 17% this quarter. And with stable ROE of 18 to 20% range, one can expect the stock to continue to do well, and stock is still very reasonable at one-time price to book. So there is further scope for re-rating to continue. Sundaram Finance result is in line with expectation. Loan growth was 22% year on year and 8% sequential. Disbursement growth was healthy at 32% year on year. Asset quality was stable. ROA of 2.7% is stable. We remain positive on Sundaram Finance. City Union Bank again disappointed. Result is below expectation, mainly because of higher slippages and slowdown in loan growth. Loan growth was at just 4% year on year, one of the lowest we have seen in the banking space. And on sequential basis, it declined by 4%. Slippages also were much higher at 3.6% against March quarter's 1.9%. So one can avoid, and in fact, whatever clients are holding this bank, one can make them convert into other good mid-cap banks. Thank you.
Good morning. CRM Silk has posted decline set of numbers for the quarter, with revenue declining by 49% QOQ, and EBITDA margin also came in lower at 6.4% versus QOQ of 17.4%. PAT came in at 10 crore versus QOQ of 88 crore. Stock is trading at 11.2 times TTM EPS. The company has approved buyback of rupees 650 per share, aggregating to an amount rupees 107 crore. Current market price is rupees 552. Other than this, TCNS Clothing has posted below expectation numbers for the quarter, both on the revenue and the profitability front, and loss increased to 36 crores versus expectation of a loss of 21 crores. Dredging Corp has posted improved set of numbers for the quarter, although the revenue declined by 39.4% QOQ. However, profitability improved, with margins coming in at 27.4% versus QOQ of 8%. Even PAT came in at a profit of rupees 15.2 crore. Stock is trading at 25 times TTM EPS. Thank you.
Good morning. Crompton Greaves Consumer Electricals Limited posted the results. Results were below expectations. The revenue grew by 0.7% on YOY basis. That is a flat growth, and it reported at rupees 1,877 crore. The EBITDA margin reported at 9.9% versus the expectation of 12%. The quarter EPS is at rupees 1.9. The stock is trading at a PE of 32 times to FY24 EPS. Asian Chemical Industries Limited result was below expectations. The revenue degrew by 14.3% on a YOY basis at rupees 343 crore. The EBITDA margin also degrew at 39.2% versus the expectation of 43%. The stock is trading at a PE of 11.2 times to FY24 EPS. Galaxy Surfactants Limited results was broadly in line with expectation. The revenue degrew by 18.7% on a YY basis, and EBITDA margin reported at 13.1% versus the expectation of 13.3%. The stock is trading at a PE of 27 times to FY24 EPS. Patanjali Foods Limited result has declined. Revenue grew by 7.7% on a YY basis at rupees 7,767 crore. EBITDA margin reported at 2.2% versus 5.4% in the same quarter last year. And the stock is trading at a PE of 28 times to FY24 EPS. For all these results, the details are awaited from the con calls. So we'll share the outlook post the con calls. Thank you.
Commodities team can take over. Utkarsh, are you there?
Thank you. Thank you, Jen. So good morning, everyone. As we witness dollar index rising, commodity prices are expected to correct, and we believe prices are expected to test in gold around 58,700 to 500 levels. So buying on dips would be recommended. So should wait for a reversal, then we can enter long for a pullback. Silver also we expect prices to correct. So selling around 69 400 is recommended, and maintain a stop loss of 70,000. On downside, 68 500, 68 200 is the level we are expecting. Crude oil also likely to witness profit taking, and we expect prices to test 6770, 6700. So selling on rise is recommended in crude, and natural gas prices should consolidate, though prices are resisting 235 to 36 levels. So on downside again, 220 to 215 is the level we are expecting downside. Metal 2, we are expecting correction, and copper is expected to test 720, 715 on downside. So selling on rise is again recommended. Zinc also, we are expecting 215, 213 levels, and selling with a stop loss of 220.50 is recommended. So that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of. For today's trading session in USD we are expecting some upside movement. So if we get any profit booking levels around 82.95 levels, so one can initiate a long position at that levels. The stop loss of 82.82 levels for the target of 82.10 and 82.20 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate long positions around. In GBP INR, one can initiate short positions around 105.28 levels with a stop loss of 105.44 for the target of 105.10 and 105 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate short positions around, if we get any pullback, 90.44 90.94 levels with the stop loss of 91.05 for the target of 90.6, 90.76 and 90.60 levels. Thank you.